Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share some tips and tricks on how to stop and also the different ways you can stop. So if you guys are ready, let's go. So we're first going to start off with the most basic and usually the first stop that you learn, and it's the T-stop. So basically all you do is outstretch your leg behind you, you turn it out, you keep it turned out, and you put it exactly right behind the heel of the other foot. And this is just going to allow you to be more stabilized, more balanced, because stopping is actually really hard. So stopping on 2 feet like this is going to make it a little bit easier. Your arms are outstretched for now, and your balance is over your knees, and you're just trying to skid here and to come to a complete stop. So next stop is the plow stop, but before I get into it, just want to clear something up. So if you've ever watched my first figure skating video, I did this move there, and I called it a hockey stop. That was my mistake, I misspoke, but you guys dragged me in the comments, so just wanted to clear that up, that it was a plow stop, and I just misspoke. So yeah, let's get into the plow stop. So with all the stops, a little bit of speed is necessary. So here all we're doing is kind of separating our legs a little bit, and we're just kind of turning them in, allowing them to kind of slide. Your arms should be outstretched to the side, at least for now, and your balance again is over your knees. So once again, here you can see that I'm kind of separating my legs, turning them in, and just letting the edge slide. So next up is the hockey stop. So you're trying to create the same feeling you had in the plow stop, except now your feet are a little bit different. They are right next to each other and to the side. So you want to keep your weight a little bit behind you, a little bit away from the feet, and then trying to slide very gently. And again, it's very good to have some speed when you're trying these kind of stops. So now this stop is a little bit more on the advanced side. So I don't know what to call this, but I'm going to call it a slide stop. You guys can give me the correct name for it in the comments. So what you're doing is you are just bringing one leg forward and you're trying to create the plow or hockey stop. Yeah, from the inside edge, you're trying to just slide, and the leg behind you is going to stay behind, but it is in no way impacting the stop. Your front leg is doing the stop for you. Another advanced stop is quite the same as the slide stop, but now it's just on one foot. So really your back leg has no impact on the stop. It's all coming from your front leg. It's exactly the same as the first slide stop. It's just on one foot now. So again, your balance is a little bit behind instead of over your knee. This stop requires a lot of balance, so don't get too upset if you can't do the last stops. It's very advanced, so just keep trying. All right, and the last stop I'll be teaching you is the spiral stop. No, just kidding, but I can make a video about that in the future. So guys, I hope you guys liked this video, and yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye!